This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So now let's update our current view on the gold market. Well, in general, our trading plan is based on some kind of unnatural reversal of the gold market on the weekly time frame, because on the weekly time frame chart we have seen on the weekly research that market has formed this bearish engulfing pattern, but market is not at the significant resistance. So that is not the even minor 618 extension target. That is not some significant weekly resistance area, so that market could create some significant bounce down. And a bit unreasonability, some curious appearing of the reversal in such area makes us think that this is not quite natural and logical behavior that could trigger some downward continuation on the gold market. So if this reversal, for example, appears at some resistance or at some target of the BCD pattern, that could be logical, and we could say that yes, that's just a retracement, it's just a response of some resistance. But when the market shows the reversal pattern with a significant downward action within the whole week, in fact in the free area, in the free zone, not at the resistance, not at the some target, that becomes the warning sign for the upward potential. And currently you can see that market is calling around the weekly pivot point and 50% support of this thrust. Our major thought was to wait some bounce to the upside, to use the opportunity and take the short position on the gold market, since trend has shifted bearish here on the daily time frame. On the weekly time frame, this action looks as the solid bearish engulfing pattern, and we could try to use this possibility for trading within the 1-2 weeks to the downside. Now we just want to see some bounce to the upside respect of this support that will let us to take the position at the better price. So we need just some rally to sell into. Well, on the 4-hour time frame chart, on weekend we said that we do not see any patterns yet, because this market was just shown this consolidation. It was absolutely unclear how market would show some will reverse here to the upside, and whether it will be any bounce. But currently market is starting to form the typical pattern that gold market likes to form when it intends to show some retracement. That is the butterfly buy. I do not want to say that it definitely will appear, but the first price action makes the appearing of the butterfly possible. So you can see that this could be treated as the left wing, and that could become the starting of the right wing. And if it will happen, the 127 extension will be approximately at 13 even, so it will be around 1301, 1302. That's the 127 extension. Besides, take a look. That is the MACD predictor. That is price action. You can see that trend has shifted bullish, but the price action not quite bullish. It's just flat. That would indicate the hidden bearish pressure on the market, bearish dynamic pressure. In this case, market usually after some time of the consolidation could show the acceleration to the downside. Well, that's why first we could say that first step of our plan is to wait when the market will form this butterfly. Then it's depend on whether you trade on the intraday charts. If you trade on the hourly time frame chart, you could try to make the long position with this butterfly, with the hope that market will show the bounce. Personally, I like this area. This is the confluence resistance around 1326, 1329 area that coincides with this weekly pivot point, 1327, 1328 approximately. Well, these levels will drift a bit lower, since if market will complete the butterfly, this focus number will be right here. so they will be slightly lower. But in general, this area will hold, because that's very suitable area for potential short if market will reach it, because gold market likes to show a bit deeper retracements. So I suspect that market could reach this area. Well, let's try to measure. If we will calculate the ultimate target of the butterfly, take a look. Let's coincide with it. It's 127, stands precisely at the weekly pivot point. If we assume that market will create this butterfly and show the ultimate target of the butterfly, will reach this target, well, that would be approximately around the weekly pivot point. So that is in fact our trading plan, and I don't see any reasons why we need to abandon it. So personally, I will be watching for creating of the patterns. Well, I don't know, maybe market will shift later to another pattern. Maybe here will be some head and shoulders or something of that sort. But anyway, any reversal pattern will be suitable for us, because the major thing that we would like to see here is the rally to the upside on the intraday charts. As we will see it, we will try to estimate more precise the potential target of this rally. Maybe market will create some ABCD pattern or something of that sort to the upside. We will estimate where it will be the better probability, better odds to take the short position. But at the first glance, right now, I think that this area has not bad chances to become an area where we would like to take the short position. And the second stage of our plan will be trying to ride on the weekly engulfing, bearish engulfing pattern that could lead market as far as to the take a look at the daily time frame. Yes, that could be as far as in area around 2050 approximately, somewhere around the monthly pivot support one. That could be the target of this engulfing pattern to the downside. We'll see. But in general, as you can see, trade plan is very similar to the euro currency. Well, that's why we need to get a bit more patience and just wait a bit when we will get the clearer patterns.